For so many years I've been trying to find this elevator. For the life of me, I couldn't find it. But I randomly did. So we're gonna be in for a good motor here. This used to be a furniture place. Thomasville, I think. There's an Otis Series 5 with Series 4 call stations for some reason. Same interior. All right, let's get ready for a motor. I like this elevator. Ooh. I'm running on a pretty tight time limit, so we're only going to do runway, but we'll send it up so we hear it. Holy crap. That is freakishly loud. That's it.